discovering great content all day long. Problem is, I don't always have time to enjoy it right then and there. That's why there's Pocket.
Pocket lets you take pretty much anything you find online and save it in an organized way so it's ready to view when you are.
Now, instead of having to remember where I saw that article, video, or anything I discover online, I have it all in one place, accessible from any device. Because I like my content just like I like my coffee. To go.
So you can put stuff in Pocket here and view it here or here. If it's in Pocket, it's everywhere. And Pocket displays everything you store in a clean, easy-to-view layout.
You don't even need an internet connection to use it. Airplane and dog park friendly. Awesome. In fact, tons of apps you already use make it super easy to save content right to Pocket. So the next time you find yourself with more content than time, ready? Go get it. Just put it in Pocket.
Pocket, the stuff you discover online, ready when you are.